Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is a big day for the dollar pairs, but it's also going to probably affect the yens also. The yen pairs also, because the yen is a risk on, risk off currency. And I will be live streaming today for my premium members in at the CPI inflation data for the US dollar. If anybody's interested in joining the membership, the website is right here. But I will also be live streaming on YouTube today for the FOMC interest rate news, which is going to be a very big deal, I would imagine. So definitely make sure you stop in for the live stream at 6:30 p.m. UK time or at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So anyways, I still think that the pound yen is in a wave 3, and I still don't even see any evidence the wave 3 is over. It easily could keep on drifting up and later on make a wave 4 and make a wave 5. I definitely think we're in a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C most likely. So heading down to the weekly time frame, like I was just explaining, we don't even have any evidence at all that this wave 3 is over. There's really nothing stopping this thing from going up quite a bit further to the 100% fib extension and possibly even higher than that. Buying the dip on the yen pairs has been an amazing strategy and continues to be an amazing strategy. So anyways, going down to the shorter time frames, I mean, this thing made a perfect ABC correction back here. Definitely still in an uptrend. The next area of resistance for me is all the way up at the 100% Fibonacci extension. So I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend, at least until the market proves otherwise. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we had a nice perfect ABC correction ending right here. Pretty obvious to me that this is likely a 1, 2, 3, and it's probably not even over. We're probably still in that wave 3, which tells me that we probably still have a pretty decent amount of upside potential, and I am definitely primarily still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, what am I doing down here based on the information I learned on the higher time frames? I'm looking for three-way pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 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 Even this right here is kind of more like a trend, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. Little corrective pattern B. Nice little impulsive down C. So what am I doing right now? I'm doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program at my website if you're interested in joining my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.